Hello guys, welcome back to the Online Help Guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install Dash Wallet app. Let's get started. Open your device's Play Store first. Tap on the search bar at the top. Next, type Dash Wallet app. This is the application that we're going to download. Tap on it, then tap on Install. During the installation, ensure that you have a strong internet connection. Let it download now. Tap on Open once the download has been completed successfully. Now you can log in or sign in to use the app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.